Would you look at that? Some beautiful fiddleback. It's flat. It's flat. Well, not completely flat because I haven't hand planed it yet. And these got these tracks from the thickness of it. All that texture in it is just from the figure. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Go. Bloody clever, don't you?
There's also a 20-ton trash for shed. You'll be able to set long enough to...
Well, I've done sliding dovetails before, but they've always been in spots where you couldn't really see them, so they didn't need to be as precise. These ones are going to be on show. Well, on show if you look underneath the table at the legs. Now coming up, I'll be doing the feet of the legs and the bit at the top stretcher. That doesn't sound right. I don't think that's anyway, the bit at the top, and be putting the legs together. So stay tuned for that. And also, I've got my latest box of tools from Japan is about to come out of quarantine, and I'll be doing an unboxing video. So I hope you guys are staying safe and avoiding events like this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.